Welcome back to another edition of Daily Truth for You with the pastor at Yahoo. August 25th, and now we're in the book of 2 Corinthians, chapter 1. Second letter Paul wrote to the Corinthians. Here's what he had to say. We want you to know about the trouble that we went through. We were crushed and overwhelmed beyond our ability to endure, and we thought we would never live through it. That's something that the Apostle Paul experienced. But he goes on to say, in fact, we expected to die. That's how bad it was. But as a result, he says, we stopped relying on ourselves and learned to rely on God, who raises the dead. And, yes, of course, he did rescue us from mortal danger, and he will rescue us again. We have placed our confidence in him, and he will continue to rescue us. Encouragement for when you happen to be going through tough times. Maybe right now you're going through a tough time. Maybe you don't even think you'll make it through it financially. Maybe your relationships, your children or your spouse, your health is really bad. The world is a dangerous place. And you might not make it through. But in that process, God will see you through. He'll help you get through it, and you'll learn to rely on him. Or maybe he will take you home, but you still make it through it because you're then with him. So part of the struggles is to teach us to rely on God and not ourselves. And God will indeed come to your rescue. That's a promise from Scripture. That's daily truth for you. In the One Year Bible with the pastor at Yahoo.